ही एक व्हडली खुशालकायेची खबर ही फुटपाथ ही फॅमिलीक करून दिल्या. पंचायतीन फुडाकार घेऊन सगळ्यांचो आधार भाव भयणांचो मेवला तांकां. ही फॅमिलीक जायती वर्सां जालीं हांव पळयतालो त्रास भोगतालीं. एक सायकल घेवन वयतालो जाल्यार वाट नासली हांगासर. जायते फावटी फॅमिली लायन पळयल्यात ही आबऱ्यो पडलेली आसा, जमनीर पासून पडल्या, जे पांयांक त्रास जाल्यात. ही हार्डशीप तिणें जायती वर्सां जालीं भोगलीं. पूण आयज फुडली खुशालकाय जी सगळीं जाणां पंचायतीच्या बाबतींत हांव तांकां सगळ्यांक देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. हो एक फुडाकार तांणी घेतलो म्हणून जायते त्रास आसतना पासून आनी सगळे हांगासर हाजीर जाल्यार तांकां कालतंतान देव बरें करूं. अशेंच पंचायतीन जायते जाणांचे जायते जे त्रास भोगतात तांचे फुडाकार घेवन तांची कामां जावची आनी ह्या गांवचे बरें सुदारप जावचें म्हणून.
I would like to say a big thank to our Punch member, Mr. Santosh, because he had taken a lot of initiative and gave his hard work in his second term over here to make up this road. There's so many have come earlier, but we've been pleading, we need this road to be done. Nobody looked into it. Everybody said, only when the minister said, only like when we come into power, we will do it. We will do it. They have promised this way. It's been more than 50 years we've been working on this. If today I'm 53, definitely my mother is working at least for 53 to 54 years on this pathway. But finally we have succeeded and we're happy about it. I'd like to thank the full Panchayat of the Pilen and we are really proud of you. There were a lot of things happening on this road. We had a bar, but we need to close down because we cannot go ahead because of the pathway. This road was a little bit widened due to a priest over here because we had a program called like the Fest Kala Tanna. We had a program here. Then the master room jalolo. Then with the field owners we had problem narrowing, again broadening, narrowing. But finally we have overcome all this after so many years and I'm really grateful and say a big thanks to the Sarpanch, especially to Mr. Santosh Bandodkar.
Lot of trouble. I asked Lord, you are not giving me, but no, He did it. And then I thank the most is my Sarpanch, and Santosh, as well as Stephen, I can't forget him. He's the most who have told me go head first. But still lot of objection came in. Still I was much backward whether I'll get or no. All the time I said, Santosh, I'm going to die now. When you'll give me? This is the word he didn't like from me saying this word. Don't say that, madam. Please, don't. I'll give you. Don't worry. And today I am here. I'm happy. And for past 50 years, I've entered this house after getting married with 2 kids. And I was walking terribly, very bad. Many times I fell down, many times but God kept me still living in this.
मार्रा ह्या फुटपाथीचें आमी इनॉग्रेशन केल्लें आहा. ही फुटपाथ करपाक हो एक लॉंग पेंडींग डिमांड आमच्या रेजिडेंसान जावपाक आसलो. ही करपाक खुबशे मातशे त्रास जाले, खूब ऑब्जेक्शनां, पण सगळें आमी मात करून फुडें सरून बऱ्यापैकी एक फुटपाथ पाथवे हांगा रेजिडेंसाक करून दिल्ली आहा. ताचो फायदो नक्कीच तांकां सगळ्यांक जातलो आनी अशीच बरी कामां पंचायत सदांच करता. सगळ्यांक रस्तो, लायट, उदीक ह्यो बेजीक एम्युनिटीज नेसेसरीज आहा त्यो लोकां पर्यंत पावच्यो हो एकूच उद्देश पिल्यान पंचायतीचो आहा, सगळ्या मेंबरांचो आहा. सगळे लोक ह्या गांवचे हॅपी आसपाक जाय. सगळ्यांक लायट, उदीक, रस्ते हें सगळें मेळपाक जाय. बेजीक एम्युनिटीज ह्यो कोणीच आडोवपाच्यो ना, त्यो सगळ्यांक मेळपाक जाय आनी हो दिवपाचो प्रयत्न सदांच आमी पंचायत करता. हेका लागून हे रेजिडेंसांचो सपोर्ट तसोच म्हाजे विलेजरांचो सपोर्ट सदांच आमकां आसता. आमची लोकल कोमलीदाद आहा पिल्यांची तिजोय सपोर्ट आसता. कसली NOC जाय जाल्यार ताबडतोब NOC आमकां कोमलीदाद ऑफ पिल्यान रोखडीच दिता आनी जेणे करून कामां ही फास्ट जाता, डेव्हलपमेंट फास्ट जाता. आयज तुमी पळयता पिळेणचे सगळे रस्ते चकाचक आसा. इतको पावस पडटा, ल्हान मोठे पोर्टहोल्स आसतलेच पूण चडशे रस्ते आमचे इन गूड कंडिशन्स आहा. चडश्यो आमच्यो फुटपाथी केल्ल्यो, आमी गार्डनां केल्लीं आहा आनीकूय खुबशे डेव्हलपमेंट जाल्लीं आहा.